Today is Bring Your Wife to Work Day. Where are you going?
Nassau, Paradise Island.
Oh, yeah, Paradise Island, that's right. Yeah, we're going to take off at 8 here, an hour from now, and be a 2-hour and 50-minute to Nassau. Then we're going to stay there for the weekend. You're going to take video for me, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I just interrogated Kris, made her show me her passport.
You want to see it again?
No, I saw it once, so just want to make sure you got it with you. No, I got it. I can do it. I can take video with one hand. Okay, come on.
Which side will the ocean be on as we come in? All sides?
The ocean's going to be on all sides of us till we're actually across the beach. You know, the beach is what? I don't know, maybe not even a quarter mile from the runway.
Cool.
We probably are going to get some showers along the way and in the Nassau area.
So there's not thunderstorms or anything?
Yeah. What the heck? Let's walk around this way. Looks good. Fueling doors closed. That's where we refuel. And once they hook up here, we do a pre-fuel control check. As we pop these as they're pumping, and within 30 seconds that should stop the fuel flow. And that simulates a fuel tank. Or you can just fuel one tank at a time doing that. And the pressure needs to be at least 10 psi to 50 psi on the hose. Yeah, he's just hanging out. That's all he's doing. Pretty face. You're welcome. You're already set, aren't you?
I'm set. Got my rain glasses on. Got my boat.
That's good.
Got my coat.
Got your seatbelt on?
Got my seatbelt on.
Oh, that's best. That's what you really need there. Got our takeoff speeds right here. Runway required. N1 power setting for takeoff. Already. They're 10 minutes out.
Austin ready.
You're up. Tower, good morning. Gas Flight 777, holding short 8 right, ready.
Gas Flight 777 Spirit Tower, hold short runway 8 right, laying eye for release.
Laps up you on there.
8 right, Gas Flight 777.
Citation to Quebec, contact inlet departure. Go on to Quebec.
Clear right.
Flight check 73, altitude your discretion, and how far out do you need to go to start the approach?
We're going to head out to about a 12-mile final.
Flight check 73, all right, navigate at your own discretion, just let me know when you're inbound.
We'll let you know we're inbound, Flight check 73, thank you. And we'll be heading down to 2,600 feet.
St. Louis, November 2 Quebec, out at 2,000 for 3,000.
Okay, November 2 Quebec, St. Louis approach. Good morning, radar contact, climb and maintain 5,000, St. Louis altimeter 2996.
5,000, 2996 to Quebec.
5,000 on 96.
Citation to Quebec, flighting 120, contact St. Louis approach on 128.1.
3,000, sir.
November 4210, actually no traffic observable. Frequency 121.0 on course is approved.
On course approved and on departure 121.0, 421, sir, right way. Thank you. 709 Charlie coming in 14.
3709 Charlie, Nassau Tower. Continue your approach, runway 14, say FBO.
General aviation.
And confirm your sequence, runway 14. Say again, sir?
Journal aviation, ma'am.
Say runway sequence 2.
4.
Roger, runway 14.
Looks like they have been doing some maintenance on it. It's all patched up.
Yeah. A little gusty down here. The out amper's disengaged.
Guess you got a direct headwind.
Speed brakes.
All right. Well done. Well done.
19-5, holding short of Foxtrot, 138 Foxtrot Sierra. Thank you, good day.
Good day.
Okay, they are gone. We got the airplane all closed up. See everything there. Driver's waiting for us. We're heading to the Atlantis.
We should be over there in about 35 to 45 minutes. And then encounter just a little bit of traffic off downtown.
See, I was going to say, if you got stuck here without us, I mean, you could get at Margaritaville there. I believe that. Let's take a look outside. See, we got the yachts out here.
No, you cannot provoke me into doing that.
Never change. Yeah, look at those boats going out there. She's taking the hotel room blanket to the movie. You don't think it's going to be cold, do you?
It's gonna be cold.
Okay. I hardly made any video today. That's okay. We're going to see a movie. Oh, there's hardly anybody in here. Look at this. I'm really trying to make a concerted effort to do both YouTube video stuff and Instagram, but it's hard to remember to do both. I got both of us, see? her back on Southwest. We've got November 1 Quebec, the caravan here, and we're combining the passengers onto the one airplane, so she's going to have to go back on the airlines, Southwest, leaving in 30 minutes. Just the way it is. So you're all ready to go, aren't you?
Yes, I'm ready. Okay.
There she goes.
The NASCAR driver's wife was also recovering.
So we got the customs cards out there ready for them. Yep. Already in the cockpit. We've got 2 of them here. Here comes Mike. I'm not sure that's a good thing. See what's happening. And they're throwing those bags.
Ready for departure.
He's a big boy, isn't he? 80 knots. V1, rotate.
Tropical 370 on course, 14 clear for takeoff.
You're up, please.
Selected.
November 19807, runway 14 clear to land wind
Here it
110
gets up.
degrees at 12 knots.
807.
That's up. You got Emperor.
Selected. Engaged.
2 Quebec, contact departure 121.0.
121.0 to Quebec, good day.
Good day.
Departure citation to Quebec, side of 1,200 for 4,000, runway heading.
Citation November 2 Quebec, Nassau departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 12,000, and turn right on course.
Right on course, climb maintain 12,000 to Quebec.
I didn't wanna think about how I'd have to go myself someday.
just walked away. I didn't wanna think about how I'd have to go.
Yeah. Four lane checklist complete.
American 1198, contact departure.
Departure American 1198.
Attention all aircraft, any departure formation Zulu is currently altimeter 3006.
There it is. Speed brakes, please.
Extended.
November 2, go back, turn left on Sierra, contact ground 7, have a good night.
Okay, left is Sierra, 0.7, good evening to Quebec.
All right, let's see.
Ground November 2 Quebec is clearing 19 left at Sierra going to Customs.
November 2 Quebec, Tampa ground taxi to the ramp.
Flaps are reset, ignition is norm.
Yep, Blue 131, clear direct Seminole.
I just saw
Delta
some lightning.
842, 125.17.
2517 Delta 842.
To Quebec, climb and maintain, flight level 260.
Flight level 260, November 2 Quebec.
260. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes and comments. And if you made it this far, you need to subscribe. That way you'll find out about future videos coming out. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always toss a buck in my Patreon. I appreciate everything. You guys keep the blue side up, the brown side down, and fly safe. And as always, be good.